Hi everyone, it's gonna be a quick market update. Um, let's start with probably USDT dominance. If you're watching my previous video, where is it? Just a second. Here it is. Please, I still recommend you to watch it because it's more like high time frame analysis, right? And there I was telling you that we can expect a move of USD dominance to 0.75 level on Fibonacci, and as usually I try to give all possible scenarios, bullish and bearish, and currently we can see that US dominance broke below 0.75. It was a strong support, right, and broke below, and currently it's facing this resistance zone at around 4.65, and still with and since we still have 6 hours for the daily close, we need to wait how the market is going to close. So if you remember, I said if US dominance will close below 0.75, perfectly would be to close below 4.65. It will mean that most probably with some bounce, it will continue its downtrend towards to this area where it has a support area. Of course, we should not forget about 4.48. It can stand also as a support. So we have here two zones, and if US dominance will continue going down, it is of course very good for crypto, right? And then we should be careful at these areas. And so far, from my last TA, we can see how perfectly it played out, and I'm super satisfied. With this, I can delete it. We don't need this anymore, right? So right now I have these levels. I took this low and this high, and I put fibs. Also, let me delete this, right? And so we should wait, since for me it's super late and I don't want to sit next 6 hours until and wait for the daily close. I'm writing you all this stuff so you know what to do, because we're all in different time zones, right? And if we go to daily time frame, let me check. EMAs, FVGs, what we have here. Okay, on daily time frame, we can see that dominance came to 200 EMA, right? And it has here daily FVG. So still, I would say that this level, 4.48, will stand as a strong support, because it may come, reject, and continue going up. All right, so this is daily. And now let's go to weekly and see what we may expect this week. And this week, since our weekly time frame starts tomorrow, we have this crazy week, and it is possible that just a second, we have here FVG, so it is possible that either, and since we have this week, still I need 6 hours to wait, so it is possible that either the market will open, the USD dominance will open with some pump to fill this week, and I cannot put right now here fibs because I need to wait for the close of the candle. So either it will come to feels is weak, or to reject at least from this 100 EMA on a weekly time frame, and then it will go down, and in this time it may go much lower towards to this low, and this will of course bring a nice pump in crypto. Either another possibility is that it will continue going down and will bounce from this weekly FVG that it has here at around, let's say, 4.2, bounce, and we'll come back to this resistance zone where we'll have to see again how it is reacting. If I just put Fibs, let's see what's gonna show me. Oh, look, look how it works. Interesting. Just I always wonder how this Fibonacci works. I told you we have here weekly FEG, and it comes right to 0.75 Fib level. So keep in mind that this is gonna be next very strong support level, which means now let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, well, crazy, 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 crazy. Which means, just a second, I need to think. So let's go here and see what we have right now. Let me look, let me highlight. So what do we have? We have this resistance, right? We have here FVG as a resistant. Currently, it can reject from here. You can see that 0.75, it didn't react at all. So since I said that we still have 6 hours, we need to see. So if it closes below 0.75, then most probably it will do something like this to retest and then continue going up. This is first possibility. Second possibility. If Bitcoin closes above 0.75, then probably with some like consolidation, it will continue going up towards this area. This is gonna be next resistance zone to break, and I will be really bullish only if I see the price breaking above $101,000, right? And I see the healthy price action, like the price is going up, you know, and it's holding here, then it might as take to this area. All right, but still it's like anything can change during the next week, let's say. So let's see what we may expect on a higher time frame. What do I have here? Just a second. This I don't need. Look, I have here also this chart. I put Fibs from this high to this low, and as I said, look at this. 101,000, right? 300, and here 101,600. So this level is really important. It's also 0.75 level. Now let's go to weekly. Let's see what may happen during the weekly time frame. So what do we have on weekly? Of course, this candle currently is very beautiful. It is very, very beautiful. Just a second, I need to think. So still, just look at the history. Yes, it reminds something like that right now, right? March 2023. So the market could go a bit higher, towards to this high, and then start again rejecting and giving us some bearish signs and go back to fill this week, let's say, before any bullish trend continuation, right? Like same as it did here, so yeah, this is one of the possibilities. Just a second. But still we have, oh my god, it's so messy here. So if we look at the monthly just not giving me anything right now. For the monthly to be bullish, just a second. Yes, it's right. So yeah, monthly to be bullish, we need to see that it is closing monthly candle above this zone, or at least above 0.75, which I would say let's wait for this week. I think it's going to be really interesting, and this upcoming week's close will tell us a lot, like if the price will continue going up, or it was just a bullish fake out, and already here it will find the resistance to continue going lower. Okay, so just don't FOMO. There will be a lot of opportunities, and yeah, tomorrow is Monday, and this is crazy. This is just crazy. Let's go now check this chart. Look how beautifully it's playing out. Just say something. Just say something. This I can probably delete for now, or no, I will just make it less visible. This I don't need right now. So look at this. I'm an artist. Don't you agree all that I am an artist? Look what I was drawing, right? Look how it was respecting all these fibs. Look how it played out. And look, my 59, 90, and here it bounced from 60. Crazy, right? And it came to 4-hour FVG and bounced. So I can say that I think that I want just to save this chart. It's very beautiful for me. Okay, so this I don't need anymore. This played out perfectly. This I don't need anymore. Now, what do we have? What do we have? I will put from here to here. Again, if we play with fibs, we can see these resistance areas. This I will take probably and put it somewhere here. This can be really valid that dominance will come to 0.75, reject, bounce back from 0.5 and pump back. Of course, this will be not positive for the, this is crazy, for the altcoins. Now let me go to daily. On daily, it's still in the range. You can see how it's holding above 60. Even though weekly looks bearish with this candles, monthly. So go to monthly. Monthly is more interesting because it has here this monthly FEG. Monthly FEG. So I don't know. You know what? I will probably do it like this. I will take bigger area just in case. So if we want to see the dominance going down, it needs to break below this level. Yeah, this would be more correct. 59.91. Only if we see, now it will just chop, then it can give something like this. Otherwise, it may bounce and go back up. And this will be bad for altcoins. And if you remember in this video, I said that if we see Bitcoin dominance below 60, this will be positive for the altcoins, right? Even if Bitcoin will give a dump, this will still be positive for altcoins because it means that alt isn't going to be here, and dominance will drop at least till this area, and this is already enough for alts to give, I don't know, 100% of the move, same as we had here, right? So that's why I said, if you didn't watch this video yet, please go and watch, and you will understand more my view. So let's go quickly to total. It rejected from this area resistance zone. Monthly. Yeah, monthly. I was explaining as well here that I would still want to see just last drop till at least this area. Right? This, or worst case, this one. So yeah, currently it rejected from monthly. FVGs is red. You can see it's not a good sign. So if we want to have to see altcoins pumping next week, like really good pump. Just a second. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. Look, I put fib from this high to this low. We have on weekly FVG. FVG, weekly FVG. We have this resistance zones. So if you want to see bullish trend, at least short term until this area, and it is already 37%, and it is a lot for alts. We need to see during the next week this chart flip above at least 0.618. In this case, let me go to this alts that I shared. In this case, H bar can do a new all-time high. If we just put fibs from here to here, it may give us a pump of 50%, 100%. It is possible, right? And yeah, this crazy. So came to resistance. This came to resistance. So in this case, this bearish scenarios that I draw will be invalidated. Okay, in this case, the altcoins, some altcoins may give a new all-time high maybe, or just retest previous highs. even like that, because this 30, how much? So almost 30%, it's a lot for this chart. Okay, so yes, this is nice, this is all beautiful, but still be cautious, because don't remember that this chart doesn't look beautiful, and especially on monthly it doesn't look beautiful, and next week can bring us a lot of surprises. And as I said, if we want to see bullish trend, then SP 500 needs to flip above 0.75. In this case, it will go to this high, then probably this high, and this will bring a move in Bitcoin until this area. Okay, but honestly, if speaking from the price action view, technical analysis, all stuff, then for me it is healthier to see a correction right now, to test all these major zones before any strong, like good, healthy bullish trend continuation. Same with Bitcoin, same with SP 500. Let me open this chart. You know, this will be more healthy. It's just if we're talking from technical analysis view. So, what else I want to tell you about Ethereum, I guess. Not this chart, this chart. Yeah, look at this. It had this pump, nice, beautiful, but it rejected right now from monthly FVG, right? And look, it pumped from 0.75. Let's go to weekly. Weekly. Yeah, other thing is, look, even though we see this crazy pump, still Ethereum on RSI is below 50. So yeah, let's go to daily to explain you more. On lower time frame, what we may expect. So yeah, this pump is nice, beautiful. Still, it is below the 50 RSI. So even if it will give now a pump, keep in mind that it has a resistance zone here, FVG, here this EMAs, here this FIP comes, right? If I put this FIPs right correctly, yeah. So FIP, and here is this middle, so it can come and reject, you know. So as long as it is below the middle, it has high probabilities to reject and continue going down. So yeah, don't be too euphoric. We can scalp long, you know, but yeah, don't be too euphoric. Even look, LTC didn't do much with this pump. LTC didn't do much with this pump. It didn't even hit stop loss. So it can still do this, what I shared with you before. You know, okay, this shit stopped me out and rejected from this FEG here, but still it could go down. Let me check time frame. Daily time frame, it can still come towards to one of these levels, right? Even this didn't do much. So yeah, altcoins are still relatively weak, and hype, okay, it pumped, but still needs to break at least above 23. dollars to go higher. So all this pump is just can be a bearish how it's called retest before going lower. See, all of them retesting at least monthly FVG. So yeah, be careful. Even so, retested monthly FVG. I think it has here monthly FVG. And look, it tested the 0.5 level that I drew. Weekly FVG. Daily FVG 0.5. So this is all beautiful and nice, but still we should be cautious and we should not have any FOMO and wait for the Monday tomorrow and for the confirmations like I don't know, it needs to break above 101k. Okay, so let's see how tomorrow market will open. Right, EMAs. And then we will see. So this was all from my side for now. If you have any questions, you can ask me in Discord, but I will probably reply to you tomorrow because for me it's super late and I'm going to sleep. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.